Hello everyone, welcome to Pretty Simple Living. Today I am going to show what I have got from Kroger sale for my kitchen. First, I got these two pretty sugar bowls for buy one get one free for $4.99. I have a plan that I'll keep these two bowls in dining table and I'll keep some homemade pickles and homemade idli powders in these. And these pots come with a little spoon. I love the size and shape of these pots, so I got these two. And the next thing, I got these two cereal bowls. They have very vibrant collection. I got these two, red one and green one. You can see the size of it. These two also for buy one get one free for $3.99. I got red one and I got green. They have different colors also. And the next thing, I got these snacks plate. These two are also for buy one get one free, $2.99. I got again green and red, which matches to my cereal bowls. I got these items for my recipe videos. And the next thing, I got these steel spoons, very big in size, for $1.99. Again buy one get one free. You can see the size. And the last thing, I got these plastic straws. I'm going to use them for juices and smoothies for $1. That's it guys. Hope you like my video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.